Welcome back YouTube, it's your boy Pluto with a zero, and I'm back with another video today. And today's video is basically going to be very short, and as the title says, it is making money online as a beginner. Now I'm just bringing you guys the fastest way to make money online, which is completely free and very easy to do. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I'm not trying to get you to buy a course. I'm just trying to make you get the best value you can from this video. You get what I'm saying? So enough of all of that, and let's just get straight into it. Now, today's business model is going to be TikTok and Instagram theme pages. I don't know if you've heard of it before. You probably have, but like, Instagram and TikTok pages are basically social media accounts that focus on a specific niche or topic rather than like showcasing the personal life of the account owner or whoever is behind it. These type of pages are created around a consistent theme, aesthetic, or type of content, and are popular for growing large followings and sometimes monetizing through brand deals, shout outs, or product promotions. So basically, I'm pretty sure you've seen like meme pages on Instagram whereby they just post memes every day and just make people laugh, and like slowly and slowly they just grow their following to like a stupid amount of money. Pages like I'm trying to think of a really popular Instagram page. There's a lot. You guys know what I'm talking about. So this type of pages, those are what we call theme pages. They basically just post things that make people happy and laugh. Memes or designs or whatever. Just to rack up following and start using that to make money. Now, let's go to the next slide. Now, how do you start this and what do you do? Now, the first thing you have to do here is to create a new TikTok account, or you create a new Instagram account. Either of them, you can do both. It just depends on you and how much of a hustler you are. You get me? So after that, you then pick a niche. When you pick a niche, then you start posting and make sure like they are high quality like videos. You get what I'm saying? Not just like a random video you just saw somewhere, you just download it and like you just decide to repost it. No, that's not gonna get you what you want. You get what I'm trying to say? It has to be good videos. You get? So after that, when you start posting, you start using like analytics to see how the viewers are reacting to your post and all of that. And after that, you just have to be very consistent. Like I said at the beginning of this video, it's very easy. You just have to post, be consistent, and just continue what you're doing. Easy as that. Now, post script, I recommend posting twice a day for like the first 30 days you start. Trust me, you're not gonna see like huge amount of views or huge amount of followers when you just start. That's not possible. You have to be consistent and posting twice a day. So like I said, the first thing you need to do is to create accounts, either Instagram or TikTok. After that, pick a niche. After that, start posting, use analytics, and just be consistent. Easy peasy. It's not too difficult. Even a 10-year-old could do this. But so I'm pretty sure grown people can do this. Let's get straight to the next slide. So after that, what you do next when you've posted for a while and like you've been consistent. Now, after you reach like 1K on TikTok, you can be able to do like the TikTok shop thing where you like say something about a product, and then if someone buys through your link, you get paid. That's like another like way of like generating streams. And after that, again, when you reach like 10K, you'll be able to make money off any video you post more than 1 minute on TikTok. So that's just double way of making money. You get what I'm trying to say? So with that, you should be good, like at least like as a beginner on making money online. And this is something I've personally done. So if you're consistent, trust me, no one can stop you. Now, let's say you reach like 1K on IG and you've been posting consistently. After that, you can just start doing like shout outs and like Instagram ads on your story. Let's say like someone reach out to you to just post them on the story, or like just shout outs. You can just start doing that, and like just maybe charge like $10 or $20 for like one slide of your story. You know what I'm saying? So if you do that, like let's say you do like 10 slides and you charge them $20, that's $200 in a day. That's how you think as like an hustler mindset, as someone I know used to say. So yeah, and that's just it. It's not that hard. Create a TikTok or Instagram profile, pick a niche, start posting, post consistently, reach 1K, reach 10K, and just start making money. Not that hard. Now, if you found any value from this video, or you like any part of this video, or you want me to explain more about any part of this video, please make sure to leave it in the comments. And if you like this video, please, or you gained any value from this video, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.